Hey foodies, welcome back to eatsipkrave. Today I'm showing you guys how to make a super simple yet delicious and healthy Harissa halibut. The ingredients to this are extremely simple. They'll be listed down in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe while you're here if you like these kinds of recipes and other creative flavors. Without further ado, let's cook. I'm starting by oiling my fish and seasoning with just some salt, pepper, and some harissa paste. If you can't locate harissa paste where you are, they also have harissa powder available. That should do the trick. This I got from Trader Joe's, so if you have a Trader Joe's near you, you should be able to find this. I did this on both sides, and while I was prepping my fish, I had my pan heating on a medium-high heat. And then I just added a little bit of extra oil to ensure things don't stick. And then I went ahead and sauteed my fish. After 1 minute, I went ahead and flipped the fish over and let the second side cook for exactly 1 minute as well. I removed my fish to a separate plate, and then I went ahead and sauteed my peppers and garlic. Once those sauteed for about 3 minutes or so, then I went ahead and added my acid, and today we're using a dry vermouth. This is the equivalent of kind of like a cooking wine or maybe like an inexpensive white wine, but it does the trick just the same to help create that kind of like beurre blanc sauce that you would typically get without breaking the bank. So if you do have some dry vermouth on hand, and you need to make a butter sauce, go ahead and use that. If you don't have wine, it will do the trick. Once the butter sauce was done, I removed that to the fish plate, and then I used that same pot to go ahead and saute my green beans. I simply seasoned this with salt and pepper. I allowed those leftover juices and flavor in the pot to season the green beans, and I literally just plated it up. This was simple and delicious, and I hope you guys will give this recipe a try. Thank you as always for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.